We're tracking a blizzard, Canada, over the next 24 hours. This is the third blizzard warning we've seen issued in Canada so far this May, which is actually quite rare. Back on May 2nd to 3rd, Dempster Highway got it, and on May 8th, Raglan Lake, and that's also the area where we're seeing it in northern Quebec through Thursday evening. Those strong gusty winds bringing whiteout conditions, plus we have a snowfall warning for Iqaluit. So Baffin Island also dealing with this deepening low pressure system. Locally heavy snowfall, tough for any kind of travel. The gusty winds will start to ease off in northern Quebec and through the Hudson Strait as we get you into Thursday evening, but not before leaving behind 20 to 25 centimeters for Iqaluit.